On January 12th, 2024, I went down to north central Iowa to experience a blizzard. Most of the state of Iowa was under a blizzard warning and had travel not advised on most roadways. The interstate was clear of snow, so traction wasn't an issue, but visibility quickly deteriorated as I headed south on Highway 35 in northern Iowa. I made my way to a gas station and the awning was rocking in the wind. I had never been more scared in my life to pump fuel. Currently out here in Williams, Iowa, and it is a blizzard outside. Pretty crazy conditions. They rapidly went downhill. Winds definitely picked up. I continued on driving down the interstate with poor visibility. Eventually pulling off on an exit ramp as nightfall approached. It is now getting dark. It's very windy. And look at this snow coming up this ramp. There's definitely a wind chill out here, but visibility driving, it gets bad at times, really bad. So I can't believe there's still cars out there going. Wind is ripping over this overpass right now, pretty nuts. Probably the craziest blizzard conditions I've ever been in. Conditions would improve as I headed north towards home on Interstate 35 and out of the blizzard warnings.